Hey, sports card collectors and investors, how's everybody's week going? I feel like we're chugging along pretty well here this week. I'm excited to come to you. I have a really good mail day today, a lot of PC items actually. Planning on holding on to these for quite a while. I'm really excited. So I got some what I feel like are some pretty good deals over the last few days. So next week's mail day is one that I'm really super excited about to share with you guys. But this week too, we've got some cool items. And we'll go through it. But guys, if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. We have more than 150 collectibles investing, mostly sports card investing. I've got some comic book investing and some other things mixed in, graded video games and all sorts of cool stuff. So if you have not done so yet, please subscribe. And we come out with daily videos as well. So if you're looking for that regular content, you've got it right here. So thank you for tuning in, and I will jump right into it. All right, I'm going to start off with some football. So I did pick up a graded copy of this card. I know I've covered in other videos. I'm a big fan of optic holo, whether it be football, basketball. And so, they kind of always say collect and buy what you like, so that if you are stuck with it, at least you like it. And that's really exactly what I do. And it just so happens to be that other people like them as well. They're popular sets, optic and prism and so forth, select. But this is the 2019 Pat Mahomes Optic Holo. Raw, these cards, you'll find them pretty common in that $40 to $50 range. This one was $41 out the door. I also did get a PSA 9 of this one recently. And I just think I know that this is it's not even a first year or second year card, but I'm just a believer in Patty Mahomes just as I'm a big believer in his career in general. And so I'm picking up his stuff here and there. And while it's not an inexpensive card, I really like the Optic Holo as a series, kind of as a subset. And so I'm going after those when I find them at a good price. I probably won't get any more. I do have a few of those. Probably won't get any more, but that's one that I'm definitely focused on that I like. All right, I know this is probably one that all of you guys have. This is a player that I feel like, kind of obvious that everyone's going to be collecting him. He's one of the more popular players. And for me, this is my guy, Drew Brees. This one is a 2018 Optic Orange. It's numbered out of 199. And again, this is more of a PC card, but with his upcoming Hall of Fame induction announcement, all those things down the road years, this could be a sale at some point. But I'm a sucker for Optic Orange. I don't know what it is about the oranges, and this is in basketball as well. I pick them up in basketball raw just because I think they're awesome. And then they are numbered to 199 in basketball as well. So for me, it's like, raw cards that are numbered to 199 that are, $5, $10, $15. This card with tax tag title out the door was $15. So yeah, I mean, look, the guy was a rookie in 2001. So this is a 2018 card. But it is one of the better players in the league, and it is a numbered Optic Orange. So I picked that one up. Along those same lines, and I've got a couple of these as well. This is the 2016 Optic Holo Brees, and this is first year Optic for basketball and football, and that's another reason why I picked these up. The next card, actually not the next card, but I've been also looking at, Russell Wilson in this set. The Tom Brady card of this is in the $200 range, and the Drew Brees is $20. And the Roethlisberger is $15-$20, and the Aaron Rodgers is $15-$20. So I've picked up some of each of those guys because I just think that, if Brady is $200, and I get it, he's the GOAT outside of Drew, of course, as we all agree, right? If he's the GOAT, of course, his price is kind of like LeBron. LeBron sets the standard and his prices are high, but should it be 10 times as much as Brees, Rodgers, and Roethlisberger? I don't know. Seems like good value to me. So that's why I picked those up. Next up, I picked up two of these. So kind of along the same lines as Pat Mahomes. These are the only Lamar Jackson cards I own. I never got into his rookies. I was actually just too late last year. During the season, his rookie cards just skyrocketed. I was just too late on them, but these cards, so the Pat Mahomes is about $40 to $50. I was able to get these for $25 each, raw, and they are the holo version. and it's second year for Lamar Jackson. So if he can kind of continue and make strides, he plays in a really tough division, brutal. a brutal division in the AFC North. So I think it'll be tough for Lamar Jackson to just kind of repeat what he did last year every year. I think it's going to be tight. But I think he's a great player. I think he's got potential, and so I wanted to pick these up. Plus, I just like the look of the cards too. They're awesome. All right, next up, a guy I've been targeting that I have not picked up any of his cards. I think I might have a couple of his stuff. I don't have any of his rookie cards. I just thought this was kind of a cool card. This is more PC than anything else. Again, it's 2016, so it's first year Optic Basketball, Lillard, Court Kings. It was $6 shipped to me. So, low risk. I mean, maybe I'll look to flip it, but I just don't have any Lillard, and I really like these Court Kings card. This is actually a good set. So if you're looking for LeBron, and LeBron stuff is all just skyrocketed, but raw 2016 Court Kings LeBrons are right in that $45 to $50 range. That they're not cheap, but it's still kind of it's a cool insert in first year Optic, and people know it. Court Kings is popular across different sports, so that would be a suggestion, I guess, for LeBron. If you're looking for something that might be affordable for him, the 2016 Optic Court Kings is right in that $40 to $50 range. All right, going back to Optic Holo, Jason Tatum picked up one of these. Actually, this is the second one that I have for him. I paid $19, $18, including shipping for it. And again, it's just, I feel like the guy's going to have a long, great career. I know it's not a first or second year card, but it is Optic Holo, and I think that these are going to hold value. If anything else, I just like how they look, so I can PC it, sell it down the road, or just hold on to it. All right, next, here's a guy that, and I know some people are like, why are you buying players that aren't playing in the bubble? And this guy's he's not playing in the bubble. He's not playing until next year. Kyrie Irving. But it's first year Nets jersey. It's these stargazing optic inserts that I really like. And this one, I've picked up a lot of holos. This is the red version. It's numbered out of 99, so there's scarcity. There's that added scarcity there. And I just feel like the Nets, I think I'm a little nervous about Durant coming back off that Achilles injury, but I do think that he and Kyrie Irving are going to put something together there. I think the Nets are going to be fairly decent. I don't know if they're going to be competing for a title, but I think the Nets are going to be formidable next year. I think at the very least they're going to have some good runs. And we'll see what happens with this card. It could be a potential flip, down the road. We will see how it goes. We'll see. So, but I like the fact that it's a numbered insert, and it set me back $20, including shipping. Not crazy. This card, and I know we've talked about it, but the LeBron card of this is in the hundreds and hundreds of dollars, $500-$600. So, Kyrie Irving at $20, sure, absolutely. All right, a couple of these, and these are inexpensive inserts for Giannis. These are the holo version of the T-321 2019. I think I got these, let's look, I got one for $13 and one for $15. So these are inexpensive insert cards that are holo. There also is a base version that are a few dollars. I know the holos are a little bit more rare. These aren't super crazy rare short print cards, but at $10-15 for Giannis, with him just having kind of that upward trajectory. Obviously, he's a target for me, and so I like these. I like these cards. Just kind of add them into the collection. All right, and I know some of you are tired of hearing me talk about this guy. I'm a massive believer in Kristaps Porzingis. And I've picked up a few of his cards, over the last few months. I've certainly picked up quite a bit, but I did pick up some more of his stuff, and I'll kind of explain my thinking around it. This one was a little bit of an impulse buy. I just kind of like the look of his Revolution rookie card. This was just a raw one, $15. And I don't know if this is even, it's not in amazing condition. It's not in terrible condition, but I don't believe this is a PSA 10 if I sent it in. I'm not an expert grader or anything, but, it's got, I would say it's in very good condition. It's not, I don't think it's near mint. But I like it. I like the look of this Revolution card. I like Revolution in general. So I'll probably just hold on to this one. I'm not going to grade it. Just kind of stick it in with the PC. All right, so I've also been looking at Porzingis first-year Mavs jerseys, and my thinking with these guys is, look, I think that Luka and Kristaps are going to be, I think they're going to be good for the next, assuming they all stay together in Dallas, I think the next 5 to 7 years is going to be good for the Mavs. I think they're going to build a team around these guys. I don't know if they're going to win a championship, but I think they're going to compete every year. And so I'm looking at his first-year Mavs jersey stuff. And outside of 2018 Mosaic, so 2018 Mosaic is his first Mavs jersey stuff, but then and then all the 2019 stuff is, but that Mosaic is the only Mavs jersey that I saw. Now there might be other sets, maybe lesser known or less popular sets that have him in a Mavs jersey. It's just for the sets that I'm targeting, that's all that I really saw. So this one, I thought this was a cool card. This is it's a base hoops card, but it's kind of that silver hollow version. It's numbered to 199. So this one set me back $9 shipped. So I couldn't not get it. And again, I'll probably just hold on to it. I'm not going to get it graded, but because it is numbered, it's first year Mavs stuff. I just like the look of hoops cards in general too. You'll see I've got some more hoops to show, but this one for me at $9 shipped was an easy decision. All right, here's one. So this is what I was talking about with that 2018-2019 Mosaic. So this one is BGS graded. Unfortunately, doesn't have any of the subgrades. But it is the camo, it's the Mosaic camo, and these are numbered out of 25. So again, it's not first year, second year card, but it's first Mavs jersey, and it's numbered to 25. It's number 8 out of 25. I just thought, it's just an awesome looking card. It actually is camouflage version, camouflage looking if you look closer at it. And it set me back, it was $43 shipped to me, including tax and everything. So, it's graded. You have the cost of the grading. It's a rare card. It's out of 25. It's Mosaic. It's a very popular set. It's first year Mavs, and it's a guy that I'm targeting. It checks a lot of the boxes for me, so this was an easy decision for me to pick it up. All right, so like many others, I have been paying very close attention to Giannis Hoops rookie cards because I've made videos. I've heard some of my colleagues, other YouTube creators, have also made videos on where is there any value with Giannis rookie cards for those that can't spend $2,000 on a Prism rookie card of his. And Hoops always comes up. And that was a card that a couple months ago, it was about $500. And so it's like, okay, well, that's in a PSA 10. So that seemed like a good value. Now, I just looked at them just today. I looked at it, $900 to $1,200 are recent sales. I saw one, it's got to be bogus. But there was one that was $3,000 July 11th, so one or 2 days ago. It was a buy it now. It's probably not legit, so I just I'm not even focused on that. But I'm looking at there have been multiple sales in that $900 to $1,200 range, and so again, I'm focused on the unicorn. So I had to pick up Porzingis Hoops rookie cards. And I picked up 4 in a PSA 10. So I got, and my thought is look, see if I can spread them out here. Okay, so yeah. All right, so I've got 4 Porzingis PSA 10 rookies, and I got them for $80 each total. And, again, I'm just thinking if Giannis can get up to $1,000, and granted, I don't know what the print run is for that 2013 compared to Porzingis at 2015. I'm not exactly sure if they were shorter print. There probably was. I would guess there's probably less of a print run for Giannis. But still, I'm looking at Giannis's is 10 times, 11 times where Porzingis is right now. And I just believe that Porzingis has a bright future. I also did pick up a couple of the PSA 9s for $35 each, $30 each. So again, it's just kind of a value play for me. The Prism rookie cards for Porzingis are just too expensive for me. And I'm looking at him as kind of that 3 to 5 year hold, or possibly longer than that. I really like the potential for him and Luka and them building that team. So I'm looking to hold and kind of build up my collection of Porzingis. And plus, I'm kind of a Mavs fan. I'm not a longtime Mavs fan. I'm kind of a bandwagoner that's jumped on this Luka Porzingis bandwagon. Hey, I can admit it. I'm not going to act like I've been a Mavs fan for 20 years because I haven't, frankly. But that's kind of my focus with the unicorn. And just a lot of his other rookies have just gotten out of range for me. So that's kind of it. So hey guys, what did you think about my pickups? What do you suggest? Is there anything that I'm missing? As far as kind of my thought process, or do you have any suggestions to build off of? I want to learn from the viewership. I do learn a lot from you guys through the comments and through direct messages. So Thank you very much. And like I said, if you have not subscribed and you want daily content, you want to see my face every single day, then please subscribe, and we will see you again next time. Thanks very much.